my name is Jasmine Hughes and I'm a field tech for the FDRI team. This boat is called the rQPOD and it's a great alternative to the Surf-B. So like the Surf-B, it's also remote controlled, but with it being a bit smaller, we can use it in sort of tighter spaces where you might not have room for the Surf-B to manoeuvre. It's also really convenient because it's a bit smaller and lighter than the Surf-B. It can be transported by just one person in its sort of rucksack, which makes it a bit more portable than the Surf-B. So we use this to measure the flow of the river. We do this by using an ADCP, which is an acoustic Doppler current profiler, to track the movement of particles moving through the water and use that to calculate how much water is moving through the river. The data coming in is showing us how fast the water is moving across the entire profile of the river. This can be used to calculate how much water is moving through it. That can tell us how the river is responding to flood or drought conditions, or maybe how the river is gaining and losing water along its length. So this is the rQPOD. Its body is made from really lightweight foam, which is really great for transporting it. This is the battery compartment here. This is the ADCP itself, which is the instrument which scans the water and determines how fast it's moving. Underneath, we've got the propellers, which are used to manoeuvre it, and this boat is remote controlled as well. Thank you very much for watching our demonstration. You can find out more about FDRI on the FDRI websites.